Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pink Acrylics is probably one of the most versatile and timeless nail trends, offering a spectrum of shades to match any style, from subtle nudes to bold, bright pinks. Whether you're a fan of classic French manicures or prefer something more adventurous, this video will guide you through the process of choosing the perfect pink acrylic nails, considering factors like your skin tone, lifestyle, and personal preferences, to help you achieve the stunning look you've always dreamed of. Number 5. Kiss Sugar Rush Acrylic Nails. Get salon-quality French manicures at home in minutes. They're chip-free, bubble-free, and last up to a week thanks to the innovative acrylic technology. Enjoy a seamless, natural look. These nails are designed for lasting comfort and strength. The snug fit is 25% thinner than other brands, and the flexible design prevents damage to your natural nails. Experience 10x the strength of other at-home options. Application is quick and easy, with a waterproof, smudge-free finish. They're flexible for a perfect fit and long-lasting wear. The kit includes everything you need for a perfect manicure. From French tips to stunning designs, these nails offer endless possibilities. Kiss provides a wide variety of colors, shapes, and styles to match your personal taste. Express your creativity. Kiss is a global leader in beauty, offering professional quality products for everyone. Bring the salon experience home with confidence, knowing you're using a trusted brand. What we like? It's inspired by salon acrylics, offering a chip-free and long-lasting manicure. The application is quick and easy, perfect for busy individuals. If you're looking for salon-quality results at home, this is the kit for you. What people say. These press-on nails were what I'd hoped they would be. I've had some really pretty press-on nails but never of this quality. The tips of the nails are thick, giving them the same, real, look while making them durable and strong. They actually look better than any time I've ever went to the nail salon for French tips. These are the best nails. If you clean up, lightly file, wipe with acetone, no oils, put glue on nail and fingernail, let dry a bit and correctly place artificial nail on nail and hold a few seconds. This usually lasts 2 weeks whether I'm gardening, working on motorcycles or crafting. These press-ons are awesome. They are thin on the nail beds and thicker where the free edge is, and because of that I am able to form them to my very curved nails beds. They stick and stay on very well. Durability is awesome. They also look amazing. I've had a ton of compliments in the 4 days since I applied them, and some couldn't even believe they are press-ons. Number 4. AZUREBEAUTY 18 PCS Dip Powder Kit. Get ready to create stunning, long-lasting manicures at home with our complete dip powder kit. It has everything you need for a salon-quality finish, without the salon price. This kit includes 8 vibrant color powders, a 4-piece dip powder liquid set, brush, file, and more. It's truly a complete system for all your dip powder needs. Say goodbye to chipped manicures. It delivers a vibrant, glossy finish that lasts for 28+ days, no matter your activity level. This kit is super easy to use and air dries quickly. No need for an LED lamp, saving you time and money. The ultrafine powder is easy to apply, feels lightweight and natural, and provides an impeccable shine. It's also odorless and healthier for your nails. This kit includes a matte top coat, giving you the option of a glossy or matte finish to match any style or season. It's made with healthy ingredients, enriched with calcium and vitamins to strengthen your nails. It's also paraben and cruelty-free. What we like? This kit includes everything you need to create stunning nails, from powders to liquids and tools. It's also long-lasting and air-dry, saving you time and effort. If you're a beginner or prefer a no-fuss application, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The polish is a little thicker, but it prevented cracking and chipping. It's been 1 week and they're still in pristine condition. This kit has everything you could possibly need to do a dip manicure. I didn't have to purchase anything else or dig through my manicure box for extra supplies. Application took time but was very easy for this beginner, with results as close to salon quality as could be expected for a first-timer. I expect I'll get better with practice. Number 3. Young Nails Acrylic Powders. It's designed for a flawless consistency and superior adhesion, giving you beautiful, long-lasting results. Experience the difference with its smooth application and exceptional hold. It starts to set in just 75 seconds, allowing for efficient and precise application. This means less waiting and more time for creating stunning nail art. It comes in 45 gram, 85 gram, and 660 gram sizes to suit your needs, whether you're a home user or a busy salon professional. Find the perfect size for your workflow. Combine it with our nail liquid for the ultimate acrylic nail system. It provides a beautiful, durable finish that lasts. It sets a professional foundation for intricate nail art. Its smooth, even consistency makes it ideal for creating detailed designs. It's trusted by nail professionals to deliver a luxury salon experience. Achieve salon quality results from the comfort of your home or in your salon. What we like. It sets quickly and adheres perfectly to the nail, ensuring a flawless finish. This product is a favorite among professionals, providing salon quality results. If you value speed and professional results, this is the powder for you. What people say. This acrylic gives a beautiful smooth look. It's easy to work with. It made all the difference. I have never been able to get a decent bead with the other brand. It just ran down the nail. With YK I had a workable bead for the first time ever. This does not drip and run. It stays on the nail and not on the brush. It's so easy to file and shape, and the scent is not quite as strong as other powders I've used. Absolutely no lifting. Number 2. MIA Secret Nails Acrylic Powder. Get ready to experience the ultimate in nail enhancement. This acrylic powder is perfect for creating stunning, long-lasting manicures. It's made in the USA with high-quality ingredients, ensuring superior performance and reliability. You can trust it to deliver exceptional results. This convenient 4-ounce jar of Cover Pink provides ample product for multiple applications. The beautiful pink hue is versatile and flattering. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's incredibly easy to use. Its adaptable formula makes it perfect for any nail technician. Enjoy lift-resistant, non-yellowing results that last. It's formulated without MMA for superior quality and safety. With MIA Secret Nails Acrylic Powder, achieving salon quality results at home or in your salon is effortless. Discover the difference today. What we like. It's highly versatile and suitable for all skill levels, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Plus, it's non-yellowing and long-lasting. If you want a reliable and high-quality product, this is a great option. What people say. The color is vibrant but elegant, perfect for both delicate designs and more striking nails. It applies easily, has good consistency and adheres very well without getting up. In addition, the drying is fast and leaves no lumps. This particular color is my go-to nude for any skin tone. Great quality product, and I get a ton of nail sets with this container. Number 1. Mia Secret Frosted Pink Acrylic Powder. Get ready to experience the beauty of Mia's Secret Frosted Pink Acrylic Powder. It's perfect for achieving stunning nail art looks, both personally and professionally. This powder provides excellent coverage, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Its trendy tone makes it ideal for creating the most fashionable nail designs. Say goodbye to hassles. Its smooth consistency makes application easy and quick, saving you valuable time and effort. Enjoy salon quality results that last. It helps you achieve long-lasting, beautiful nails without breaking the bank. Unleash your creativity. It's ideal for creating intricate and trendy nail art designs. Let your imagination run wild and create stunning masterpieces. Mia Secret is committed to providing high-quality products at affordable prices. Experience the difference today. What we like. It provides excellent coverage and comes in a trendy shade, perfect for creating stylish nail art. It's also very affordable, offering salon-quality results without the salon price tag. If you're on a budget but still want professional-looking nails, this is a smart choice. What people say. Es el mejor acrílico blanco para unas buena consistencia. More of a white but still very pretty. I did use one layer of the milky white acrylic with clear acrylic on top, and it was still very much full coverage. This acrylic took a little bit to get used to working with, but once I got the hang of it, it was amazing. It is such a great color, if you are looking for a milky white with a pink tone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.